A fisherman.
The man who catches fish to live is a fisherman. Generally, a fisherman lives in a village near a river or a sea. He is hardworking and painstaking. He uses nets and boats for fishing. Some fishermen have nets but no boats. Some who have boats and nets employ the boat fewer ones and work in a group. A fisherman is always at work. While at home he repairs his boats or nets. And he paints his boats or dyes his nets. He catches fish in the seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. His womenfolk make new nets. His children dry fish in the sun and sell them on the market. He works hard all day and night. The life of a fisherman is very risky and challenging because there may have storms and cyclones at any time. Some fishermen go fishing at night. Some go fishing in the deep water or in the sea from home for many days. When he catches a lot of fish, his joy knows no bounds. After all, a fisherman does much good to us by supplying fish. In spite of being hard-working, he can hardly make both ends meet. Government should take some steps for development of the minimum standard of their livelihood.